Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna have some special news regarding the Galaxy Note 10 lineup. So just a few hours ago, Ice Universe on Twitter put out a tweet simply saying this means that we are more than likely to see a Pro version of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 this August. Expect this to have bumper specs as well as insane features compared to the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 Pro is expected to be launched with 5G and will not be available with the LTE version. Do you guys think this is over the top from Samsung, or do you think that this is a good way of showcasing their products? Let me know in the comments below and consider subscribing for more daily tech news. I'll see you guys later.